Hi, everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm joined by the CEO and founder of Launch 360, Nicole Nadeau. I wanted to ask you, what would you consider to be the number one leadership trait?
It's hard because there's so many, but I think if you ask people in my profession as HR leaders and executive coaches, the thing that we talk about a lot is emotional intelligence, sometimes called EQ. So emotional intelligence is really at the core of all effective leadership, and it's assessed through a lot of different things. And Launch 360 actually asks a lot of questions around this. So one is self-awareness, understanding of your own strengths, weaknesses, and your emotional impact on others. EQ is also about self-regulation, so managing emotions and reactions and staying composed under pressure, something that I work on a lot. Empathy, I think, is part of EQ, so understanding and responding to the emotions of others. Social skills, like how do you build strong relationships? How do you communicate? How do you collaborate? And then lastly, if you have strong EQ, good EQ, it's about motivation. So driving yourself and driving others towards a goal and towards a passion with resilience. And I think what you'll find with Launch 360 and our assessment is that we measure EQ, but we also measure all of these other competencies within EQ, so that if you're a leader that really sort of is very empathetic, but maybe doesn't have great self-regulation, you're going to see that show up in your scores and you're going to know what you need to work on.
I love that. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.